Hello everybody, I'm back again with some more information on trend line. So this is the same chart. I'm not changing the chart because it will confuse you out. So I'm using the same chart to explain you the things. So this is a weekly chart. I have opened a weekly chart here. So I'm going to show few trend lines here on this chart. So this is the tab for trend line. So you can go for trend line. Just start from the bottom point and you need to connect all the points. When you are having more than 3 points, it shows that this is the actual trend which is following in the market. But if it is less than 3 points, 2 or 3 points, that means you are not having a good trend in your hand. So this is a normal trend line which you can draw by using this tool. And we have one more tool here which is information line. So if you click on information line, it is going to give you some kind of an information. So I'm drawing the trend line the same way which I have taught you earlier. So this is the trend line. This is the information which is visible to you. It shows that we have used 78 bars and it has taken 546 days. This trend line is beginning from 27th March and I have drawn it till 24th September 2018. So in this year, total 546 days are taken, and in between these days, this is the trend which was followed by the Apcotex India. 35 degree is the angle of this trend line. Angle means that it is moving at an angle of 35 degree or it is moving at an angle of 45 degree. So I'll explain you angles later on. But this is how you can use information line. The information line is going to give you certain kind of information which will pop up automatically on your screen. So it is 79.59%. 79.59% means that there is a positive change of 79.59% in the prices. So this is the information. Now I'm going to show you the other tools. Let me delete them first. Now we have trend angle. So in the same way, I'm going to draw the trend line and it will help me to understand the angle of the trend. So this is 35 degree. You can see here it is 35 degree. Okay. See why angle is important. Below 35 degree, below this area, if your trend is below 35 degree, that means your trend is moving too slow. Let's suppose we are having one more trend line. This is not the actual trend line. I'm just helping you out to understand what this angle means. So this is a 45 degree trend line. So above this 45 degree trend line, if your trend line is above this area, that means your trend line is moving too quickly. Let's suppose again, if you're starting from here and your trend line is here, right? This is your actual trend line. This is very much above 45 degree angle. So this means that your trend is moving very quickly in an upward direction, and anytime it can change its direction and it can come down, or it can change the trend, or the prices may fall. In the same case, if your trend is too slow, again I'm taking a new trend line. Let's suppose your trend line is this one. I'm writing here one. This is your trend line, let's suppose, right? If this trend line, on this trend line, your prices are moving up and down and up and down and up and down, right? So it means that your trend is moving too slow. It is too slow. It is changing. The prices are changing very slowly. So it indicates that very quickly it can move up or it can come down. So it is very uncertain. But if your trend line is between 35 degree and 45 degree, so shows sustainability. Sustainability means that if your trend line is between 35 degree to 45 degree angle, that means the trend is going to follow for some period. So you can invest in those stocks whose trend line is between 45 degree to 35 degree. I'm again using a trend line. This is a trend line, information line, trend angle. All these three I have explained to you. I've explained you that if your trend is having an angle between 35 degree to 45 degree, this is the best angle to invest. Right. Now again I'm going to show you the use of trend line. This is the current price, it is 186.20. Okay. So I'm taking the help of ray, right? Otherwise you can use trend line as well, but I'll explain you that why I'm using ray. I will start from here and I just need to check the direction and all the points. Where all the points are joined, I just need to click on the board, so my trend line will be drawn automatically, and moreover you can extend it as well. So this is the benefit of the ray. Okay. So this is a trend line. Now let me show you one more thing. This is the more consistent trend line, and in between this trend line we are having few small trend lines as well. This is the smaller trend line. Again a shorter trend line. One more trend line. So in between one continuous trend line, we can have n number of smaller trend lines. Okay. So if these trend lines are too steep, right, it shows that this trend is not going to sustain for a longer period of time. The trend is going to change its direction. So this is, you can see here that this is a very steep trend line, and after reaching or after touching the main continuous trend line, the price bounced back. Again they fell down, and after touching the main major trend line, they bounced back. So whenever you want to take a trade, so my suggestion is when it reaches or when it touches the major trend line, you can take a trade here, right? After taking a trade here, obviously the prices will bounce back. So if you have taken a trade, let's suppose if you are knowing that this is a major trend line and you have taken a trade here, right, and you are knowing that it is going to bounce back, so you just need to check that at which level this price is going to stop. So here you can sell your trade. So this is a good profit margin which you can get. The prices here are 112 and here it is 180. So this is a big difference and you can earn a huge profit after following the trend line. So this is a major trend line, and in between the small trend lines can be there. So again you can see here that there is a red candlestick, and there is a probability that the prices will fall down from this point and it may reach up to 170 or 160. So this is my approximation that they are going in this way and they will bounce back to this way. So 170 to 173, in this way they can fall down and again they will bounce back, right? So this is how you can take the help of trend line, and you can take the help of angle line as well. Again I'll show you the trend angle. If you start your trend line from here and here, okay, so it shows that your trend is 19 degree. So your trend is moving too slowly. So yes, it is a bit risky to take a trade here, but if you are ready to take a trade, yes, you can take a trade here, because see I've used here the weekly chart, and the chart is starting from, your trend is starting from 23rd of March and today is 1st of February. So it is almost an year. So from the last 1 year, the trend is following, an upward trend is there in the market for Ipcotex India. So you can take a risk, a bit of risk. Whenever it reaches here, do not take a trade here. Let's wait for some time and let one green candle appear here. Right? When the next green candle appears, you can take a trade then. So it was all about the trend line for today. In the next video, I will explain you a bit about extended, parallel channel, disjoint and flat top or bottom. So these again are some tools available with us, and we can take the help of these tools as well to take a trade in the market. And one more thing, when I was about to start my trading, I usually get confused with short and long when somebody is saying that you should go for long. So you should go for long means that you should buy, and short means selling. So long means buy and short means selling. So whenever you are watching any video, or whenever you are going through any PDF or any trading book, do not get confused with long and short, that what is long and what is short. Simple words are there. Long means buying and short means selling. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you liked my video, please click on the like button and subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye everybody.